Well, because of outbursts in court, legal experts say the man accused of killing his mother in her Hawaii Kai home shows signs of mental illness. They say that's likely going to be key in his trial moving forward. Here's Stephen Florino with more.
In his arraignment and plea hearing this morning, Judge Clarissa Malinao entered a not guilty plea on behalf of murder suspect Micah Auna. She was clear in her orders telling him no need to say anything, and if he does, it may be used against him.
Are you the bailiff?
All right, one moment, Mr. Una. Please refrain from making any comments at this point in time until the court concludes. Thank you, sir.
The 29-year-old Auna, charged with murder for the death of his mother, 60-year-old Michelle Hanapi Auna, at her home in Hawaii Kai in December. Auna also spoke out of turn in his initial hearing, claiming it was self-defense.
Anytime you see a case where a child is accused of murdering their parents, the first thing you think is some type of mental illness or drug addiction. And that was supported by his behavior in court.
If the court orders, defense attorneys say a team of psychologists and psychiatrists will evaluate Auna. If he is found mentally fit, the case goes to trial. If not, they say he'll be housed at the state hospital in Kaneohe until he is fit to proceed or could remain there for treatment.
The court is first going to have to determine, is he fit to proceed? Does he understand the role of the prosecutor? Does he understand the role of the defense attorney? And does he understand the role of the judge?
Auna has also requested to represent himself.
It's not a good decision. And to kind of split the baby, so to speak, a lot of times the courts will appoint a backup counsel to be there to assist the person.
You have to allow them to pave their own pathway, and whichever course of action they decide to take, it is their life, it's their decision, as long as they're fit to proceed and can understand the consequences of their action.
Trial is scheduled for March. Stephen Florino, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.